prijatelji.
Anyway, we're not going to do a parade, but a normal birthday, you would have a party.
Have a cookie party.
Oh, yeah, cookie and cake party. We're getting there, Tony.
Yeah.
Don't get ahead of us. So the word for party is zabava.
Zabava.
Yeah, you like that one, huh? Zabava.
Yeah, it sounds funny.
Yeah.
Zabava.
Zabava. So the word for party is zabava.
Zabava.
So when you show up to the party, you don't want to come empty-handed. So whoever's birthday it is, let's say for LLC, if you would show up to the LLC birthday party, you're going to bring a gift.
A big one.
Right. The word for gift is poklon.
Poklon.
Very good.
So do we have to share that gift?
That's why it's got to be a big one.
I mean,
Yeah,
if you're smart, you just bring one for Uncle Mike. You just don't. And if he's nice, he'll share with the other guys.
Can I re-gift
Well,
something?
if we're nice, we'll tell Uncle Mike we're having the party.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I might get invited.
Yeah.
Like late.
Yeah, Uncle Mike couldn't make it. He's got some
All
other
the cake
engagements.
is gone.
We'll just give him a different address.
Been there.
He's been to that address too.
15th and Alma was one of those parties. Okay, the word for gift, poklon.
Poklon.
Wonderful. So you bring your poklon, very nice, and it's time to sing the famous birthday song that we can't do without getting sued, so we won't. But you're going to blow out the candles on the cake. The word for cake is torta.
Oh, torta.
Did you know torta? You got some
Love me some torta.
relatives in
Torta.
torta in Spanish, what? What's
Yeah,
torta?
that's a sandwich.
It's a sandwich.
There you
One of
go.
my favorite cuisines. I'm from the Mexican side of the.
So imagine the
world.
confusion. If you're going to go to a Mexican party, you bring a torta and you bring a cake, like, look at you, like, what, are you crazy?
What are you crazy?
Imagine go to a Croatian birthday party, you bring a sandwich.
They'd,
You were supposed to bring the torta. He's like, I did.
they'd ask for the salsa too. Like, you bring the salsa to go
I
with
brought
this?
the one sandwich.
You gotta
Okay,
split it.
You put the candle in the
In the torta, yeah.
Yeah.
the word for cake is torta.
Torta.
Very good. Okay, if you're going to be partying, you're going to be giving presents away, and you're going to have lots of sugar in you, you're going to burn some of that off. So you're going to listen to music. We have two words for music. One word for music is glazba.
Glazba.
Right, that's music. Glazba.
Glazba.
And another word is, I think, universal. Musika.
Musika.
Yeah, musika.
Musika.
Glazba y música.
Glazba y música. So what do they use? Like,
Well, we can listen to glazbe, which is music, so like a bunch of songs, but there's another word for song. So it kind of gets complicated, but musica, glazba, it's kind of all, it's the same. I don't know if there's like a perfect translation in English,
so
but they both work.
is it kind of like when we did the Vedse
Let's say zahod.
Zahod kind
Sure.
of a thing where like one's more of slang, or
I
kind
guess
of just generalized.
I guess musica would be generalized because it works for so
Everyone.
many languages.
Okay.
It's the universal language, musica.
So hey, put on that musica. or
Well, if you want to hear a
glazba.
certain song, for instance, you would say pjesma,
Pjesma.
right? So put
Yeah.
on that pjesma.
Pjesma.
Stavi pjesmu. Put on the song which is pjesma.
Pjesma.
We've sung 2 songs, a little quiz here for our LLC team. We've learned 2 songs so far in LLC. Can you name 2 of them?
Yes.
Name the two or one.
Name
of the,
2, the dva pjesme. Tony, you got one?
We did the Silent Night one.
Ooh, Ticha Noche
Ticha
and
Mariana.
Oh Mariana.
Yeah, I like the Mariana one.
2 classics.
Mhm.
Mariana, very, very classic song. I have a feeling we're going to do a song in the near future.
What can we use?
Thriller?
That's a good choice.
No, not that one.
No, I don't think so.
Mm.
But we're going to do YYZ.
Why was he?
Yeah,
Okay.
that'd be great Croatian favorite.
Mm-hmm.
The word for song in Croatian is pjesma.
Pjesma.
So Pjesma, pjesma.
Pjesma.
Let's review our birthday words. Ready? So the word for birthday is Rođendan.
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 And happy birthday LLC is Sretan Rođendan.
Sretan Rođendan.
We've heard Sretan before, though, correct? Sretan
Yeah.
Novi Godina?
And
Sretna Nova Godina.
Sretna.
Yeah.
Sretan Božić.
Sretan Božić and Sretna Nova Godina.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Godina is female, so that's why I say Sretna.
Okay.
And Sretan,
Sretan.
Rođendan, the day is a male word.
Gotcha.
The whole grammar lane
Masculine
street.
word.
We're gonna leave that seat empty. No one's gonna sit in that one. That's not what we're signed up for.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Professionals don't need to know that. We're here to learn conversation. That stuff melts in as you learn. So let's make that magical part. The word for party is zabava.
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 Sounds like one of your favorite words. Jaba.
Jaba. Glaba.
Jaba glava. Zabava.
Zabava.
Original. The word for gift is poklon.
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 The word for cake. Torta.
Yeah. Oh, wrong torta.
The word for cake in Croatian is torta.
Torta.
The word for sandwich in Spanish is torta. Mexican Spanish too,
Correct.
right? Is torta.
Torta.
So you get two for the price of one today.
And they're both wins.
Yes.
Yeah, they're both
You can have
delicious.
one. You can have the
One
Mexican
before the
Spanish
other.
torta, and then afterwards have a Croatian torta.
Everybody's
Two
a
words for
winner.
music. First word, glazba.
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 Second word, musika.
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 And the word for song is pjesma.
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 Wonderful.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.